This is question number 2 from the 1.5 notes on problem solving. We're being asked to use the guess and check strategy to solve the problem, and we're going to create a table to organize our guesses. Now, the first step of any problem is to read it carefully, so I'm going to read through this once just to get the scenario down, the big picture idea, and then I'll read it again for detail. Looking over electric bills for the past year, you notice that the bill in July was 2 times the amount from December and $42 less than the amount in August. If the total of all bills for those 3 months was $537, what was your bill for each of these months, July, August, and December? Okay, so I read it once, big picture ideas. We have some electricity bills for certain months. We're given clues that connect the dollar amounts for each month together. We're given a total for all 3 months. Now I'm going to read this again for some details. Okay, so looking over electric bills for the past year, you notice that the bill in July was 2 times the amount from December and 42 less than the amount in August. So we have a compound sentence here. We're actually comparing July to 2 different months. We're comparing July to December. It was 2 times the amount from December. And we're comparing July to August. July was 42 less than the amount in August. So I'm going to rewrite that sentence from a compound sentence to 2 separate sentences. Okay, so I split that compound sentence into 2 sentences. The bill in July was 2 times the amount from December. And then the bill in July was 42 less than the amount in August. Okay, so let's focus in on that first sentence. The bill in July was 2 times the amount from December. So I'm comparing July to December. Which one was bigger? The bill in July was 2 times the amount from December. So what was bigger, the bill in July or the bill in December? The bill in July was 2 times the amount from December. So July is the bigger amount and December was the smaller amount. And we're told July was twice as big as December. So if I know the amount in July, if I know that dollar amount for July, that's going to be 2 times whatever the amount from December was. So we're going to keep that in mind when we start doing our guess and check. Now let's read that second relationship when we're comparing July to August. So the bill in July was 42 less than the amount in August. July was 42 less than the amount in August. So which amount was smaller? July was less than the amount in August. July was less than. July is the smaller amount. Now I'm going to keep that in mind when I start doing my guess and check strategy here. So if I'm comparing July to August, and July is the smaller amount, and August is the larger amount, what am I going to do with that 42 less than? I see the word less than and I really feel like subtracting. So let's say I do 42, I subtract 42 from July. So let's think about that. If I take a smaller number, if July is a smaller number, and I subtract 42 from it, am I going to get a larger number? No, right? So I don't want to subtract that $42 from July. If July is smaller and August is bigger and I'm comparing them, I need to add that $42 to July. Okay, so for example, if July was $100 and July is 42 less than August, August is all of July plus 42 more, right? July is 42 less than the amount of August. It's less than that. So I would have to add 42 to that. If you wanted to think about it with subtraction, you could. You know, we could go the other direction too. If I'm guessing a number in August, so let's say I guess, $200 in August, and July was less than that, if I'm starting with a bigger number and I want to get a smaller number, I need to subtract 42 from that amount. So if I'm guessing August, and August is the bigger number, I need to subtract the 42 to get July. If I'm guessing July, and July is a smaller number, I need to add to it to get to August. So it really just depends on which number you start with for your guess. Are you going to start with a guess for July, for December, for August? And you have to use your clues from there. So let's organize all of this in a table. So we have 3 unknowns. We're trying to find the bill for July, for August, and for December. So I made 3 columns for guesses, and then I made a column for my check. Okay, and it really doesn't matter which month you start with. In both scenarios, we're comparing July to the other months. So you might want to start by guessing a number for July, and then you'll use that guess to figure out December, and you'll use that guess to figure out August. Some of y'all might want to start by guessing a number for December, and then you'll use that to figure out July, and then you'll use July to figure out August. It doesn't really matter where you start. You're just going to have to read your clues carefully based on which guess you make. So let's just start by guessing a number for December. Let's start there. The bill in July was 2 times the amount from December. So I don't know. Let's just make a wild guess here. Let's just say $100. What if December was $100? Okay, now I'm going to go back and read my clue comparing July and December. So what do I know about that? The bill in July was 2 times the amount from December. So I know that July equals twice the amount from December. And I just guessed December was $100. So to get this number for July, I'm going to double that. So that would mean if December was $100, July would have to be $200. So my guess for July now is $200. Okay, now I'm going to go back and think about the relationship between July and August. Okay, so I'm going to think about July and August now. Okay, so what do I know about that? The bill in July was 42 less than the amount from August. Well, do I know the amount from August? No, I know the amount from July. But I know that the amount from July, this is going to be 42 less than whatever this number is for August. So 200 is the smaller number. August is going to be the bigger number. So I need to add that 42 back onto that 200 to get that bigger amount for August. So now I have these 3 bills for 3 different months, and let's check it. Let's go ahead and see if this checks out. If I have $100 in December and $200 in July and $242 in August, what does that add to? Okay, I total that all up and I get $542. Oh no, my goal was to get 537. I got 542. That's just a little too high. A little too high. That means my initial guess of $100 was a little bit too high. So I'm going to just readjust my guess. I'm going to repeat this whole process, but I'm going to adjust my December guess down a little bit. It was too high, so I don't know. Let's guess maybe it was $90. Well, we're not that far off from 1/3. That might be too much. Let's guess it was $95. Okay, if December was $95, and July is 2 times the amount from December, I'm just going to double that. Okay, so I'm doubling that, and I get that July has to be $190. Okay. And if July was 42 less than the amount in August, remember August is that bigger number, I need to take the smaller number from July, add $42 to it, and that'll give me the larger amount for August. And when I do that, I get $232, and then I'm going to add up those 3 monthly bills, and I get a total of $517. Oh, that is too low. So that means this guess of $95 was too low. Okay, but that's okay. Look at the progress we've made, y'all. We know that 100 was too high. of a guess for December. 95 was too low. So my guess has to be somewhere between that. It could be $99. It could be $98. It could be $97. It could be $96. It could be a decimal amount between there, but I'll just tell you it's a whole number. We won't be that mean to you. So I'm just going to continue this process with these possible numbers until I guess a number for December and follow all of the clues to create the other numbers for July and August. And I find a combination that adds to my goal. Okay, so we're just going to whittle our way down here. So 100 was too high, 95 too low. Let's try $99. So I'm going to repeat this process with $99. Okay, so I'm guessing $99 for December. The bill in July is 2 times the amount from December. So I'm going to take December, multiply it by 2, and that's going to calculate my amount for July. So I have $198 in July. Then the bill in July was 42 less than August. Remember, August was the bigger one. So this number, 198 for July, is 42 less than what August would be. So I need to add 42 to that smaller number to get the bigger number for August. And when I do that, I get $240. So now let's check it. If I add December plus July plus August, let's see what that adds to. That adds to 537. That is correct. That matched my goal. Okay, so we use this process of guess, check, and revise along with, our clues given from in our scenario, some careful reading until we found the exact combination that matched all the clues and satisfied all the clues we were given about the bills. And it added to the correct total of $537. Now, sometimes you're going to get lucky and it just take you 2 or 3 guesses. Sometimes you might have to do 8 guesses. So make sure you're recording all of your guesses so you can get partial credit on a quiz or a test. And just so to help you keep track of what you've done so you're not backtracking on any work. If you have any follow-up questions, come see us in office hours, or you can reach out to any of the tutoring services listed in the tutoring resources on Blackboard.